Hello, welcome to our next review. We're at the Ferienhotel Berger in Füssen, Germany. This is a lovely residence. Overall, we had a very good stay. It's more of a larger hotel than we've been staying at, but the staff has been just as courteous. Excellent breakfast here. As you can see, it's quite a spacious room. Good amenities all around. The location is very close to town. We are about 3/4 of a kilometer from the downtown section of Füssen, which has a lot of shops, nice walkways, good restaurants. If you are in this area and are looking for someone to eat, please check out our review of the Spotty restaurant. Very nice little downtown section. Couple of the things that maybe the Ferienhotel could do better. The Wi-Fi is a little bit spotty. You know, it is free, so can't complain about that. However, it doesn't work in all parts of the room. You may have to use a common area. Now, advisement to those of you who kind of struggle with stairs a little bit, the lift does not start until the second floor. There is one once you get to the second floor, however, you will have to go up a short flight of stairs to get there. So, again, we would stay here. It's a very nice stay. Please check in for another review.